Still on the Ensemble Music Scheduler interface, to create a new group in the music library, you click on Groups. When you click on Groups, you see the name of all the existing groups. When you click on Add, the name location is the name of the folder you're trying to create. Like we have here, Afrobeats, all library cuts, April Fool. We try to keep the same name for the location as the description, so whoever is interacting with it can understand what is actually inside the folder. So if you're creating a new group called New Guy, you name the location New Guy, name the description New Guy as well, and then you can create a filter, and then you can change the color as well to whatever color you think resonates best with that folder. It could be a music style, it could be a list of PSAs, it could be another identity folder, depending on what you're trying to create with that folder or whatever section of music you're trying to create. You can change the color there, and then you add it, and then you have a new group here. But this is not where you add music, this is just where you create the groups. You don't add music through here. And that is all with the ensemble and the libraries part of the interface.